Yeah, you don't know, I Justin Blake this once more. And today we are on the topic of how to reduce the crime and violence in Jamaica. What can you do to contribute to the reduction of crime and violence in Jamaica? Are you doing enough? Guess what? Today Justin Blake took to the street to get the views of the people. At the very initial stage of this street view, it was very clear that fear is summed up in the heart, mind and spirit of Jamaican people.
No, what's the TV or
Don't be afraid, my brother. I don't know if you hurt him.
Don't go everywhere. Now be careful on the car. What them need for them?
Looking at the camera.
You see the security force? They need for disguise themselves. Sometimes they go down to the garrison. Oi! Don't put no camera on your phone.
I want somebody come kill me right now, sir. So, if you say good, then say bad, and if you say bad, then say good.
Thanks for your time.
Anytime parents can talk to other parents' kids, you understand me? We go a problem with that. Because as soon as you start talk to a man picking and see my road and misbehave, and you say, boy, what you do? A little girl, what you do? Then tell you, ask if them are your father or your mother. And nothing but some ends about road back. If you try to hold that child and talk to him and scold him, you go for him parents and come back and then go all come back and murder you too. Because they don't want nobody chat to them picnic. So that's how the thing like. I saw me grow up. A village grow me. So me can tell you, the fruit we bear off of the village tree. You see me? Good fruit did they for reap, for deal with picnic in a school, and that's everything there, brother. In the school. Then take away the belts and give them social media. Phone, laptop, all of them accessory there. At home and at school. So them get caught up with them things. The daddy them they are prisoner now. And mama after they go out at night. And you know them little things that we need to put some more values for we picnic them. You see me? Make your neighbor help grow your picnic.
Blind man I talk to him, you know. Crime fit done in our work, I guess. If a blind can survive, everybody can live. So we don't fuck the crime, so everybody cut out that still, because we have a life vision.
If they really do a research, they're my family. You understand? All of the artists, all of we are family. All original Salem people, all of them are family. Then go and go dig deep and find out so who them are war with. They're family. I don't know who make them a war, but they're not war for nothing. You know, what's a war like? You know, a war mode. I don't know if I want them to eat or whatever.
Self-employment. Have some community projects where I can have some work with them. Have them off of the street. Have them doing something. And, you know, kind of get to you them off of the road just to see them. Positive to their life, you know? Sure. Yeah. That do the more to help the country right about now.
Yeah, when I say this to the government now is when you hold them and put them in prison. Let them go work. You can't make them in there eat. The money sit down so when they come out back and do the same thing. So train them and make them work. Help plant, rice and sitting there, whole heap of swamp and sitting there. That's my view.
What we can do to reduce the crime and violence in Jamaica? What's your input, your take on that?
Well, in order for we to start with a problem, we have to look towards where the problem really started. First, to say that self-improvement is a basic for any kind of community development. First, we have to improve ourselves as an individual in order for we to bring forward that message of improvements. If we can have some self-improvements within the home, then we can bring it to the streets, which is our community. And if we can improve our community, then that's how we can move from section to section, which is from parishes to nationwide. And I think self-improvement is the basic for community development. How we go do with the self-improvement, we have to look at our social involvements. I think that is the core of the problem of Jamaica. We break down our social influence, and we break down our social connection on a part which everyone can understand where we really coming at in order to solve the crime. Improve themselves, and by improving themselves, the love will start flow, we will start have an understanding, we will start use less violence in order to solve our problem.
Do you believe the church establishment is doing a good job to create social awareness on all levels of society?
Well, I think the church can really do more. Church is a part of the stories of our society, just like teachers. Not necessarily only on religion, but they can also teach us social social economy. Marcus Garvey teaches us that we can't use religion in order to solve all the problems that we have. So the church cannot use just Christianity or any form of religion just to solve our problem.
If you don't bring up your child a certain way, it won't work, because look at this, when me and you were going to school back in the days, any parent wants to do something wrong, but now in this generation that cannot happen. If someone talk to your child too hard out the road, they come back and they say, "Mommy, that man talk to me a certain way." You go out there, a whole heap of disrespect, maybe go out in a violence. So yes, the church have a lot and they can do more. Yes, it have to start from the home, come up. What should happen is that they should educate the parenting first, and then the parenting educate the young one, and then the young ones now will adapt from that. Children live what they learn. Crime stop. You call on the crime stop. They say you don't have to give your name or whatever, but in order to collect their money, you have to give some information. Right? Some police use that information because every police have a friend who is criminal, have a cousin, have this, have that stuff. They leak the identification. So sometimes you find some people dead. Some way you say that man is a good man and why that man dead and all these things. But some things like that, because you have good cop, you have bad cop. And in Jamaica, it's a 70-30. 70% bad, 30% good.
The solution is in the hands of those who are doing crime. You see the people them who they do crime, stop doing what you are doing and every problem will be solved.
The meaning of the word anarchy is a state of disorder due to absence or non-recognition of authority or any other controlling system. That is the meaning of the word anarchy. Guess what? Me no know, cause me no got no sense, but me know say you smart. So you tell me, does it appear that there's a shadow of anarchy overcasting upon Jamaica? What will us Jamaican do to get rid of this disorder that is plaguing our society?
And make sure you subscribe to Justin Blake channel.